guys, I'm back. Finally. But I have something to show you. I've been working on my fire alarm control panel. So, I have this fire alarm control panel. I don't know if you guys know, but here it is. I have these wires hooked up to it, and I have a battery for it. So, we are now going to try to turn it on. It works. I already tested it. So, you can see it there. So, if I just put this wire in here, it will create a spark, don't worry. And one here, it's on. It'll make a trouble in a second if you guys want to see. Go ahead and watch till the end. Yep, there's the trouble. Well, pretty cool, guys, right? So, bye.